Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another DIY Monday. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with just something really quick. I'm going to show you all how to make these really cute these really cute rings right here using your coral shell and 12 gauge wire. So if you all would like to see how I made this, please stay tuned. Here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY. You're going to need some E6000. You're going to need a coral shell. You're going to need some 12 gauge wire. You're going to need some nylon pliers, some round nose pliers, and a ruler. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble our wire. So we're going to take our 12 gauge wire, and this is 12 gauge aluminum wire, and we're going to cut 12 inches. Okay, so we're going to side measure it. We're going to cut 12 inches, okay? Snip right here. Oh, and I'm sorry, y'all. You're going to need your wire cutters. Y'all know I'm always forgetting something. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make a loop. Just like that, okay? And then we're going to take our nylon pliers, which are these right here. And these pliers are really good. They have like guards on them. And they protect the wire from being scratched. So what we're going to do is we're just going to we're going to make a series of circles. Okay. And we're just going to start just rolling it and rolling it. And we're going to roll it all the way down until we get to about 3 inches, and we're going to measure it to make sure that we are 3 inches. Okay, we're going to measure it all the way down till about 3 inches. So we're still wrapping it, and wrapping it around. Okay, now I'm gonna just take my hand and continue to go down a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my ruler and see if we are 3 inches. I'm going to measure it right here is where I'm going to start measuring it. So this is what you want right here, 3 inches. And once we get there, what we're going to do is we're going to make a loop. Okay, we're going to do just like this, like bend it, just like that. And then make that like straight. And we're just going to keep bending until we get like a circle, because we're bending it because we're going to put our finger in there, okay? And that's pretty much what you're going to have. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make a loop, but make the loop to the side of it. Don't make it this way, make it this way, like that, okay? And this is pretty much our ring already, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what we want to do is, like I said, we want to put a generous amount on our coral shell, on the back of it. And then we're just going to take it and place it on our ring. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to let this set for about a day or a couple of hours at least, so it can stick to the ring, okay? And this is pretty much what you'll have. And I made, this is like a chocolate, and then I have one that's like gold, but it's really not gold. It's like a white, kind of white color gold, and this is a copper. And it's real easy to wear, y'all. Real easy, real simple. And if you want to also, you can add another coil shell and put it on the side of the ring if you want to. But the thing about the E6000, y'all know it's permanent. So once you put it on here, it's not gonna come off, okay? But this is what you'll have. It's real easy to wear, and you can make these rings and sell them, ladies. It's the holidays and stuff is coming up. Make them, sell them, and you know it's a good add-on piece. It's also something that if you want to add, and when you do your when people buy their items, it's something that you can just slide down there as, you know, like a little free gift. But I just want to come on to show you all this, and I thank you all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful and awesome Monday. Enjoy the rest of your day, ladies and gentlemen, and have a wonderful week. Peace and blessings. See ya.